Last month I showed you how to make a wreath out of metal, but today I thought I would share how to create a cover to store your more traditional style wreaths. There's tons of wreath storage boxes at the store, but they can get so big and bulky, especially if you have multiple wreaths for different seasons. So I'm gonna hang my wreaths on this towel bar. But the real trick is that I'm gonna make covers out of a shower curtain. Just think about it. It's mold and mildew resistant, so it's gonna protect your wreaths, keep them from getting dusty. So I already took a regular size shower curtain and cut it into quarters because I'm making 4 covers. And now I'm going to cut the corners to make it more circular, and then sew a little channel for some elastic, and that is gonna make the cover. Cut an approximate 45-degree angle on all 4 corners. It doesn't have to be exact, but try and make each corner match the last. The elastic I'm using is only a 1/4 inch wide, so it's pretty thin. I'm going to use it as a guide to iron my shower curtain on all 8 sides before I sew the stitch. Since the shower curtain isn't rigid, it's so much easier to iron the fold before sewing. Don't worry about the folds being precise all the way around though. Anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch will be fine once you get to the sewing machine. Next, cut any overlap from each corner of your octagon. The iron mark should make it pretty obvious. I'd recommend using a zigzag stitch for the elastic channel. This slippery fabric can pull out a straight stitch faster than I can DIY a wreath cover. Any basic sewing machine should have it as an option. Before I add the elastic to each cover and make them all bunchy, I'm going to use my fabric markers to draw a little something so that I can find each wreath that I need easily. Some ideas are drawing a Christmas tree for Christmas, a flower for spring, or a leaf for fall. To feed the elastic through, I'm just going to use a small safety pin, and I can hook it onto the end, and it'll go right through. Start in any corner and slowly thread your elastic through the channel you just sewed. Overlap the elastic an inch or so once you've made your way around and do a couple stitches to keep them connected inside the cover. And ta-da! Your covers are ready for their wreaths. And they're just like a giant shower cap for your door decor. This towel bar uses just 2 screws to attach to any vertical surface like a stud in your garage or attic. Since the arms swivel, you can hang up to 4 wreaths with 1 contraption. Now your wreaths are safely stored until you need to use them again. Plus you can tell which is which without having to unwrap them first. Thanks for checking in. I've got so many projects to share with you, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.